everyone. Today we are on the Disney Wonder for an Alaska cruise, and we are going to do a room review for stateroom 8584.
Concierge.
This is a concierge room. You gonna bring that in? All right. So this is all new to us. So it's the same but different. They have different upgrades in here. This is the bathroom. I like the wood. A lot of wood accents. Really nice. They got a lot more shelves in here. That's really nice. Yeah, bigger mirror. Hair dryer is on the wall. And it's actually angled a little different.
Huh.
And here is the shower. It's a little angled different too. Got your H2O products. And your outlet. We have some of the Elemis products. These are nice. Another shelf to put stuff on. This right here holds your products on in case it gets rough. I like the blue. So here is where
Those are different.
you're gonna hang up all of your stuff. You got your life vest up here. We have bathrobes that we shall be using on this cruise. We really wanted to do concierge on this especially because it was Alaska. I don't know what that is.
Those are shoes.
Slippers. We get slippers. The little things in life, guys. The little things. And nice accents up here. And over here is for the bunk bed, which we will not be using, but more closet space. I guess to put more of your items here. You've got your safe right here, which we use
Daily.
every cruise. We put like our passports and extra money and stuff in there. Got some drawers right here. Some wine glasses, some water glasses here. Here's the info for the concierge of their little breakfast, snack time, dinner time snacks, desserts, lounge times. We can hang little bags here. The full-length mirror that you will use before you're going to dinner.
They have a scale.
No, that's evil. That is just not right to have on a cruise ship. So we're gonna ignore that and the fact that he said that.
Oh, they have Elemis products.
So this is usually either blue or red. This one's actually tan. I like this one. Here's the bed. They've upgraded this a little bit for the room. Different colors. It's really nice. The darker wood on the sides. They have the same lamps as the regular rooms. Do you have your outlets over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I got two.
Two.
You got two over there. So more outlets.
There's a lot more space, definitely. Well, this sleeps 5, so there's the TV.
Well, they got crown molding here.
Oh, it is a connecting room. Ugh. Oh well. This should be, yes, the refrigerator. I can open it. It's got water in it and soda in it. But now we just need to put beer in it. Another TV. Faith has her own TV.
No way.
Way. So this is going to open up to a full-size bed. She will be happy for that. And that's the Murphy bed. And that up here is the bunk bed.
Wow, this one's different. That's good.
So you have your drawers here. And your information sheet and your room service. Any time of day. We usually do like coffee or whatever in the morning. Got a little chair to sit on. some more spaces. Oh, they have a regular hairdryer. Yes. Awesome. Nice little Disney accents. Oh, here come the lights. Oh, bright. Okay.
Oh wow, there's a lot of lights in here.
It's pretty. So we actually upgraded in port. We did have a navigator's veranda, so. Oh, yeah, and this here actually comes across, and it's actually drapes.
Two of them.
Two of them. So normally it's just one pull across, but these are actually really nice. Okay. And a nice little sitting chair here. Looks like our daughter is sitting outside, checking out the port. Yeah, we are in Vancouver. Two chairs and the carpet in there. See all the nice people walking around. Got the mountains in the distance right there. So this is Canada Place, and that's the Pan Pacific where a lot of people stay before coming here. We're really, really beyond excited for this trip. It's a kind of once in a lifetime thing. So we hope you guys enjoy it. We definitely will be enjoying it. We'll be posting more regarding the Concierge Lounge and the amenities that they have for it here on the Wonder. It's kind of like spread around the ship.
Look at the thermostat.
So we hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I hope you enjoy the video.